Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good afternoon, all of you. My dear 5th standard students. Today discuss about ascending and descending order of 5-digit number. 5-digit number. See here. First of all, already we have learned in previous class. First standard, second standard, third standard, and also once again I am repeat ascending and descending order of 5-digit number. First of all, 5-digit number. See, 76,321 is a 5-digit number. Yes, it is a 5-digit number. See how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So from right to left side, first 3 places, first 3 digits are goes to ones period. Now next 4th and 5th are the 2 places goes to thousands period. Ones period has 3 places, thousands period has 2 places, total 5 places. So this is 5-digit number. Okay, this is 5-digit number. Now let us consider ascending order. First of all, what is meant by ascending order? What is the definition? See here, ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Arranging the numbers starting from smallest to biggest are called ascending order. See, arranging the numbers starting from smallest to largest, smallest to greatest, smallest to biggest. Smallest to largest are called ascending order. Ascending order. See here. Now example, I can give one example. Say according to your textbook, Bangalore, Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata and Mumbai, these are the cities given their population. So this population arranged in ascending order. See here, first of all, ascending order means smallest to biggest. Then now I am writing here. Able to see this? See here, I can write shortcut. Bangalore 76,321. Delhi 82,079. Chennai 97,109. Kolkata 36,467. Next Mumbai 49,531. These are the number of votes. Let us arrange the votes won by a party in ascending and descending order. The place value chart for the numbers as follows. See here. Keep it behind. Bangalore. So how many votes polled? 76,321. Now next Delhi 82,079, Chennai 97,109 and Kolkata 36,467. Are you able to see what I am saying? Now next Mumbai 49,531. These are the words. Okay. See here. Ascending order. Arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest are called ascending order. Then see, did you observe this in it? So the smallest number you can find out 76,000, 82,000. You can see thousands period 76,000, 82,000, 97,000, 36,000, 49,000. Then Kolkata 36,467. You can write here 36,467. Now next, among these numbers, which one is the smallest number than other numbers? See, 49,531. 49,531. Now next, so Kolkata and Mumbai both two are completed. So remaining Bangalore, Delhi and Chennai. See here in it. So which number is the smallest number than the other numbers? 76,321, 82,079, 97,109. See, this is the Bangalore. 76,321. Now remaining Delhi and Chennai. So how many votes polled in Delhi? 82,079 and Chennai 97,109. In it, which one is the smallest number? Smaller number than other number? So Delhi 82,079. Now last one, Chennai 97,109. See, did you observe this pattern? See, arranging the numbers starting from smallest to biggest means increasing order. See, 36,467 now increase. 49,531 now increase. 76,321. 82,700. 97,109. Now this is the ascending order. So same descending order. Descending order means arranging the numbers starting from biggest to smallest are called descending order. See here, listen. Same topic. See here, arranging the numbers starting from biggest to smallest are called descending order. See, descending order. Now you can write. See, same Bangalore, Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai. See here, Bangalore 76,321, Delhi 82,079, Chennai 97,109. So in it, you can write arranging the numbers biggest to smallest. So you can find out biggest number than the other numbers. See here, 97,000. 97,109. Next, 82,079. Next, 97, 82, both completed. Now next, 76,000, 36, 40. 76,321. Decreasing order. 76,321. Now this also completed. Remaining how many? Kolkata and Mumbai. 49,531. 49,531. Now last Kolkata 36,467. See, did you observe decreasing order? Big to small. 97,109, 82,079, 76,321, 49,531, 36,467. This is the descending order, means decreasing order. See, now next. See, odd and even numbers. Odd and even numbers. See here, listen carefully. Already I told you people, once again remind. See, listen, Nana. We have already learned about odd and even numbers in class 3. Let us learn more about them now. See here. Actually, even numbers. The numbers are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called even numbers. At one's place. At one's place. So, for example, 89,764 even or odd? Even number. How it is possible? Very simple. A ends place having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in any number, then the number is called even. Did you understand? Actually, the numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are called even numbers. Now, the numbers which are divisible by 2, then remainder 0 are called also even numbers. Two types definition, but meaning should be same. See here. Now here you can observe this pattern 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Some even numbers are given in your textbook, page number 18. Observe the pattern that occurs in one's place of these numbers. One's place only one digit 0. Here 2, here 4, here 6, here 8. Here 10. 10 means one's place 0. 12, one's place 2. 14, one's place 4. 16, one's place 6. 18, one's place 8. 20, one's place 0. 22, one's place 2. 24, one's place 4. The pattern forms which increases of each successive number by 2. దీన్ని మీరు చూసినట్టయితే 2 increased by 2 digits. Starting from 0 నుండి, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So even numbers always have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their ones place. If you take any even number, then their ones place should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. From these numbers, any number at one's place, and then that is called as even number. Even numbers always have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their ones place. Then the numbers are called even numbers. So now next, let us see actually odd numbers. The numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Did you understand? Then they are called odd numbers. But here, the numbers which are divisible by 2, then the remainder is 1, is also called odd numbers. According to our class, see here. Now I am writing one pattern. Some numbers are given in your textbook. I can explain. Listen carefully, everybody. See here. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. See. Observe the pattern that occurs in one's place. One's place lo vachedi chudandi. See here. One's place 1, one's place 3, one's place 5, one's place 7, 9, 1, 3, 5. See, what did you understand? What did you understand? Odd numbers always have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in their ones place. In their ones place. That is called as odd numbers. Let us identify whether the given numbers odd or even. See here. Listen carefully. See, now I am writing 3452. Even or odd? Yeah, it is even number. 3452 ends with 2. 2 is a even number. Automatically the given number is also even number. See, did you observe? 3452. 2 is in one's place, 5 is in tens place, 4 is in hundreds place, 3 is in thousand. Keep it behind. Only you can see only one's place digit. That is 2. That is 2. So, it is an even number. This is what? Even number. Now next, 1387. Even or odd? 1387 ends with 7. 7 is odd. 7 is odd. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd digits. Odd numbers. See here. 1387 ends with 7. So it is odd. Odd number. Now next 43,278. 43,278 ends with 8. So it is even number. Now next 54,000. 361. 54,361 ends with 1. So it is odd number. This is even or odd. So, children, everybody practice at home. First of all, see the YouTube channel. Okay? Sri BFHS Gurus, open YouTube channel. Okay, download your subjects and once or twice so you can see. Okay? Thank you everybody. Practice more and more at home.